Alright guys, my name's Joey. I got a little shop I call Wabi, Sabi, Jalopy shop. Just give you a quick view. I was told to start a channel, so I'm attempting that at the moment. You know, I got watching YouTube, and the guys on YouTube putting Morski, Carl Fisher, those guys that do fabrication, rebuild, restoration, whatever. You know, they always say just jump into it. You're gonna hate your first few videos or first several videos, and I'll probably hate this. I'm new to this YouTube stuff. I'm new to video stuff. So I'm just gonna try and start. I'm into fixing old cars, restoration, saving them. Don't really like to paint. I grew up in a body shop with my dad when I was a little kid. Probably part of the reason I don't like to paint, because I hate the sand. This little ride right here, that's mine and my wife's. You look over there in the corner, it's a 31 Model A. This is the chassis for it. Working on that for a buddy of mine. That's a 65 Buick Riviera. Kind of a basket case. Call it the Nightmare Riviera. Sorry my lights aren't on, but having to do a lot of fabrication on that. Don't claim to be very good. I got a few tools. I just do my best trying to make these old cars better. So in this video today, I'm going to try and start working on this hood. I have a hood here off a 65, 66 F100 pickup truck. Some of you guys may have seen this truck. It's a beautiful truck. It had a 6-cylinder with the blower. It was cool. My buddy removed the blower. Went back to just a standard aftermarket intake with a 4-barrel, and he wants me to try and build him a hood scoop for this thing. So that's what I'm going to try and do today. So hopefully I can get something nice made for him. Alright, I hope you can hear me. I don't have an external mic, so this is what he brought me. This is what he wanted to start with. This is a template he made. He wants it to wedge down in the front, kind of like a cow hood, but not quite as tall. And that's the template he made. I'm going to try and take this and figure out exactly what he wanted. Body line on the hood, it's got a little ridge right down the middle of the body, or middle of the hood and the body line. And I'm going to try and mimic that, plus this part of the body line right here on the hood. So first thing I'm going to do is take some measurements. Alright, I cut a piece of 18 gauge to the sizes. It's 48 inches wide. Cut it to 32 inches this way. On the hood, front to back is 31 1/8. Side to side it's 35 1/16, and I got to add 2 inches to get the down part of the scoop on the sides. And then I'll trim that down to the angle I want, and then I'll have to de-roll the lines that I want. So that's what I'm working on right now, trying to get everything laid out on here. Okay, let me show you what I'm trying to do. The hood has a line, a little bit of a ridge right down the middle. and then it's got this body line. So what I'm doing is I've drawn it out on the panel. So first I'm going to try and do this light ridge down the middle, and then I'm going to change the dies out, and I'm going to come back and try and do this body line right here on both sides, and then I'll trim this off on the edge, and then I'll do the brake on here, and we'll see what it looks like. Well, okay guys, I had technical difficulties. As I said, I'm new to this video stuff, so here's what I got so far. I B-roll the body lines in, turn down the edges. I got to do a little bit of shaping, a little bit of cleaning up. Probably going to have to build a support brace under here, under this area here, so when it goes onto the hood, it'll have some shape to it that it needs. That's probably going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoy what you saw so far, and I hope you'll join my channel. What do they say? Like and subscribe, I guess, or subscribe and like, or whatever. But do subscribe if you can. I guess it helps in the end. And everybody have a great day. And just remember what a good motto for me. I was asked to speak to some kids one time. They asked me what I would tell them, and I would tell everybody: don't look down. Don't look down on yourself. Don't look down on others. Always look up. Get out there and work on them old cars. Try and save one if you can. The more we save, the better it'll be. Save a little bit of history. So last thing, thank everybody that's going to watch. I appreciate it. Kind of humble that anybody would watch. Sorry about the audio. I guess with my air conditioner running, I'm in Louisiana and it is hot. So if I'm muffled, if you can't hear me, I'm sorry. I got to get better. I'm going to try and make things better. I guess I need to get one of them external microphones or whatever. But thank everybody again, and I'll try and get another video out as soon as I can. See how this goes. Take care. Bye.